Kia ora, Warwick. I've made a video to explain the confusion in the email from that person about the ambulance siren. The ambulance siren is definitely there, but they are just mixing up when the page turns are, which is understandable. So I'll explain it to you here and hopefully you can do that. So that was the siren for the fire engine that you just heard. So the siren is at the beginning of each vehicle. So that's the sound of the fire, and the next siren is the sound of this, because the fire engine siren was at the beginning. So when we get to here, we look at that and then we turn over, and that sound is the ambulance siren. So the siren is just before He Hateratangi. So then you turn the page. This is just like road noises, and then you'll hear the sound of the helicopter. So when we get to that word, we turn the page, and that's just kind of not much noise happening there, and then we turn the page when this is going to be road noise now. Finish that, and we listen to the children playing, because all the emergencies are over now. So the key to answering the people's question is you can show them this video and just say that each vehicle has 2 pages. So on the first one, when we only have a glimpse of the vehicle, at the very beginning you will hear the siren. So there's a siren here. Turn the page as soon as they hear this word, Aitua sung, and then that was the flame sound. Turn the page, and the new siren sound is about the police car in this case. Turn the page when they get to Aitua, and there's just some sort of background sound there. Then turn the page as soon as they hear a siren, and it's going to be the ambulance siren. And then turn the page when they get here, and then there's just a bit of kind of roady kind of stuff about an accident, not much really. Then you'll hear the chopper, and then that's the beginning of that one, and then you'll hear not much there, and then you'll look at this one and you'll hear the road noise, and then on this one you hear the children making talking noises and playing. So the reason we did it this way, which may also help, is because of the sentence structure, which means, what's that noise? It's a siren. What's that noise? It's a fire engine. And this is e haere, which means going to an emergency. So we couldn't put the emergency on that page because it would already be there. So this is, going to an emergency, and now here they are. And there's no words to be said about that. Probably the teachers could maybe pause it and talk about the emergency, and then we've got another siren, and that's that one. So there definitely is an ambulance siren just before and at the beginning of this page after the little bit of a break on that page. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Ka kite.